Yeah, baby. So how did you get that?
How did I get it?
Yes.
Farming is the best. Look at me. Before we reach house,
No. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah, baby, you're gonna have twins, so because I see you having two pineapple. Do you care for this pineapple? I wish you're here. I will give you one. Thank you. This is good.
This is to remind everybody that farming is a very, very lucrative, profitable business that anyone can do. Whether it's for your own consumption, or you want to give it out to people, your friends, and your loved ones, or you want to start it as a business, farming is a very good one, or even as a side hustle.
Here we go. This is pineapple farming.
In this video, my friend and I visited their office farm based in Warri, Delta State. And when we got to this place, as you can see, some of the pineapple has been plucked, eaten. Some of the workers took it upon themselves to plant and farm this pineapple that we are enjoying here today.
These are one of things we do to make some incomes apart from our salary. You cannot only base on your salary now, because salary cannot sustain based on the kind of things we are seeing in this our country. They are very expensive. So you need to have option B. And this is why my colleagues have gathered here and said, let's make up something. Money making. So guys, I encourage you to do something outside your normal business.
Like I always talk in my YouTube videos, farming, agriculture is a very, very good business that you can actually start. If you have a good land, you can farm anything that you want. Pineapple is a very rich food and is a cash crop whereby people can make money farming pineapple, honestly. Currently, right now, one of these pineapple will cost a whooping sum of 800 naira for one pieces. I'm not capping, I'm not lying about this. And in some places, you can even buy it for 1,000 naira. So imagine having a farm where you are farming some crops. Definitely, if you arrange it and do it very, very well, and once it's time for harvesting, you will be making good money. This is just a small farm, basic farm that some workers arranged to farm. And they're even enjoying it, enjoying the juicy part of it. The fruit is a very sweet one, guys. There are some pineapple they call Queen's pineapple, and this particular one is Queen's pineapple because I enjoyed it. It's very, very sweet, very, very tasty, guys. Honestly.
There we go. How will I the thing? What I go do? Okay, so now. What I go now? There we go. Now, I check yours. Yeah, I can call last month too. Where here? Those are that